Making this at home is so simple and easy to make, which everyone can make it. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena, and if today is the first time here, we make cooking and everything food. If you're interested, please subscribe for more. Let's get straight to today's video. So I have my ginger here. I will add some water, wash it very well, and then start peeling the skin. So you can decide not to peel off the skin, okay? I peeled half and I became fed up. So I stopped and added the one that I couldn't peel the skin to it. So I will show you. And this is what I'm trying to say. You see, that one is very dry. And the latogen one, oh my goodness, it is so easy to peel the skin. So I decided to add it. After all, the skin is also medicinal, okay? So after I'm done blending it, I will just pour it on my tray. Then we are just going to use the natural electricity. Yes, we are not going to pay for anything. So that is the sun, and this was under the sun for 2 good days. It doesn't mean it takes only 2 days to dry, but in my case it is because the sun was very hot. That is why it took only 2 days for this to dry. So after 2 days, this is how it is looking, and I just love it. Yes, so we will go ahead and blend this very smooth, okay? After blending, it was smooth, but I wanted to sieve it, so I sieved it, and this is how it is looking. Sorry, the background has changed. Your sister doesn't stay at one place. I traveled with it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.